Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here I am going to share tech tutorials and career tips to help you grow. Today we are diving into the Looker Studio, a powerful free tool from Google that helps you to turn your raw data into beautiful and interactive dashboards. So let's get started. So coming to the Looker Studio, so it's a Google product basically. It's a completely free of cost. It's available in the completely free in the market. So coming to the Google Looker Studio, so in the previous version, right? And the previously they have their own product like Data Studio from the Google side. So in 2019 they acquired by the Looker BI tool, one of the popular tool, and later they made a lot of changes in the Data Studio, and they relaunched the tool as a Google Looker Studio. Okay, so coming to the this Looker Studio, it will turn your raw data into the more interactive dashboards that are very easy to use and easy to understand. And the Looker Studio, it will support a lot of data sources like Google Sheets, BigQuery, YouTube Analytics, and not only these databases, it will support flat files as well like CSV or Excel file. It will support compared to the Looker, so it will support flat files, whereas coming to the Looker, it's not supporting the flat files. So that is one of the major advantage in the Google Looker Studio. And the Google Looker Studio, it's a part of the Google Looker family. So in the current scenario, right? So the Google is releasing a lot of Looker products like Looker Core or Looker Studio, Looker Studio Pro. A lot of things are they were updating. So this is also the part of the Looker family, Google Looker family. Okay, and coming to Looker Studio, it's a completely free of cost. It's 100% free. You can go ahead and you can use without paying any even single penny also. Okay, so the key features into the Looker Studio, it will support multiple data connectors. So if you want to connect different DBs or what are the data sources you have, it will connect. In the current scenario in the open market, it will support almost all the data sources. Okay, and the another feature is here the interactive dashboards. If you want to add filters or date range controls, whatever the changes if you want, you can do. It's a very interactive, just drag and drop, and you can do you can create your what kind of dashboards you want. So it's a very user friendly, and the visualization also, it's really beautiful. If you want to see, if you compare the market, right? um, just like Tableau, only in the Tableau how it will be the look like the visualization, how is beautifully the similar way the Looker Studio also it's supporting. And coming to the real-time updates, it will update data refreshes whenever you want. So if you want to do the data refreshes, so it will update automatically. If your data is updating in the back end, if you add some kind of scheduling part, it will automatically it will update. And it will in the dashboard also, it will update, and it will give the real-time data. And coming to the sharing, right? If you want to share your dashboards or reports, right, you can share it very easily to your colleagues or even outside also, even some other parts also. The best feature is embedded. So if you want to embed your dashboards to the other website, what other website are available in the outside, you can go ahead and you can embed your dashboard or any key performance indicator like KPI, or any even single report also, we can go ahead and we can update in the embedded in the other websites. So it's a very easy to use. So who is going to use this Looker Studio? It's very useful for the people who don't want to pay any additional uh, you know additional amount for the software installation or maintenance. So it's a completely cloud based one, the Google Looker Studio. So you no need to pay anything. You no need to install any software. You just need to thing is just need to use your you just load your data to the Looker Studio, and on top of that, if you want to create your own dashboards, it's a very simple and a very straightforward. You no need to pay anything. So that is one of the best feature. and there is no software installation also, and that is also very good thing. It's completely cloud based. And if your data is available in different data sources, like some data is available in Excel and other data is available either in other DB or somewhere else, you can combine both the DBs and you can create your dashboard. So that is also possible in the Looker Studio. So it is very faster, and if you want to take decision, so this is a very best tool. So if you create one time, going forward you can use very, it's a very user friendly. Whereas coming to the this tool currently, the look Google is using in the YouTube, like what is the performance, YouTube performance, and website traffics and ads. What are the ads? They were using their own. This is this tool. So if you want to start your career with Google Looker Studio, so I can suggest you to just visit the Looker, lookerstudio.google.com website. So in order to create your own account, you don't need to do anything. If you have a Google account, you just go ahead and you can sign in with your account. That's it. It will open the first one is the blank report, or choose template. What are the current templates are available. So on top of that, if you want to create your own dashboards, right, you need to connect your own data sources. On top of that, you need to create your drag and drop and design your own dashboards, how it will be look like. I will share you in the next video how it will be, the demo, the Looker Studio. And the next video I will show you how to create the dashboards in the Looker Studio, and how to connect with the different data sources, how to create different charts and customization. If you want to do your customization, your brand, your own logo, I will show you in the next video. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching my video.